In the past 2 months, I've lost 6 garbage cans. And tonight I lost another one. This beige colored one, the one with that black frame inside of it, that's just about to disappear as well. And I finally figured out where they're going. The garbage men picked them up, and I guess they don't like that frame is in there. So he just tosses the entire can inside the back of the garbage truck. Look, there it goes. It goes in the truck and never comes out again. And that's it. So I had 3 cans and they only returned 2. Okay. And I showed previously my neighbor across the street, they had 1 can. And in a minute, I'll show you that their 1 can is there on its side. So I had 3 cans. See, there's 2 right there that returned, and 1 of them was left inside their garbage truck. The garbage man just left, and we put out 3 garbage cans, and there's only 2 here. Where's the other one? There they are right now. There's only 2. Where's the other one? They didn't toss it any place. You know what they did? That's not ours. They threw it away. They threw it in the truck and smushed it up. So is the garbage truck company gonna buy me a new can? Because we've lost 6 in the past. We've lost 6 in the past 2 months, and I think it's them. I guess when they get too beat up, they just chew them up in their machine. So I guess the city gives them authority to recycle people's garbage cans if they're beat up too much.